about the 2D software, or you can say 2D drawing and drafting software, which is called AutoCAD. This software is built by the Autodesk company. Now to start with this software, you have to click on the AutoCAD icon here. Now as you start with this software, you see a new welcome window is open here. Now click on the new if you want to draw a new drawing, and if you want to continue working on your previous drawing, then click on continue working on the previous drawing. And if you want to click a new you want to do a new project or new drawing, then you have to click on the new icon here. And further, you can see on the right hand side you have various formats of these drawings. Now which format you select depends upon your uh, drawing conditions. Now first, here we have ACAD.DWT. Now this format is used for architectural and civil drawings. The units for this format is feet and inches, whereas for mechanical engineering students the format is ACAD ISO.DWT, as it is a metric system format in which the units are in millimeter. So we select this ACAD ISO.DWT file and click open. Your user interface will open shortly here. Now you can see the user interface of this AutoCAD 2019 software. Now on the center part where we have a black screen with grid lines is your working space. Whatever you want to draw, you draw here. And on the left hand side of the screen you have your command ribbon, which consists of drafting commands as well as modeling commands. Now in drafting commands we have a categories such as draw, hatch, block, modify and so on. Now these categories are subdivided into number of categories of commands such as line, polyline, circles and so on. So these commands are used to draw your entity or object on this black screen. On the right hand side of this software screen we have our layers toolbar. Now layers bar, or you can say layer command ribbon. Now it consists of properties such as color, layer, line type. Now if you want to change any property of the any entity, whether it's a line, circle or anything on this software, you change this from this options. So we have a number of options here, like line type scale. If you want to bold the line structure, then you can use this line type scale. So you can change any property of any entity by this ribbon bar here. On the bottom of the screen you see a command input bar. It is used for inputting the commands with the help of keyboard. Now if someone wants to draw with the help of keyboard, then you just use this command input bar. Further, you can draw also from this command ribbon. Just select the icon and draw anything on the screen, just like I selected the line icon, and escape it with the help of escape button on the keyboard. Similarly way, in this command input bar you can draw a line by putting the shortcut of the line, that is L, enter. Now you have to draw the specify first point of the line and then second point of the line and so on. To exit the command we have to press escape on the keyboard. Now you can see you can draw line or any other command from the command ribbon as well as by putting the command manually with the help of keyboard through this command input bar. On the top of the screen you have your various icons used in this software. Like if you want to open a new project, you click on the new icon. If you want to open the previous project, just click on this open. Want to save anything, you have to click on this icon. Do, undo. If you make like just redo and undo part here, and then you want to take a print, you use this plot bar and so on. Similarly, you can see a tool or a menu bar here on the top of the screen. Now in this menu bar we mostly use draw, dimension and modify. Now all the commands which are shown in this command ribbon are basically lies here in draw toolbar, dimension toolbar and modify toolbar. In Draw you have all the commands like line, polyline, 3D line. So you can choose from here also. So there are three number of ways you can put input into the software by directly clicking on this icon of a line, or just select draw and then click line, or just simply type L then enter on the keyboard, your line command starts. So we have a flexibility of inputting commands into this software. Similarly, this software is used for drafting purposes only. 3D drawings can be made in this software, but for 2D drawing this is the best software in the market right now. And this video gives you about brief information about the user interface of this software. In the upcoming videos we discuss about all the commands, all the individual commands which are here. Draw toolbar, all these commands are explained in the upcoming videos.